Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making this one hand boo-boo, all right? Yeah, asymmetric boo-boo. Now this particular boo-boo, they use stretchy fabrics, okay, and there's fringe on it, the hand and the length. So but for this particular one, the actual length is 60, all right? And you can see my calculation now. Watch, I divided by 2, not 4. I divided by 2 because the pattern I'll be cutting it is very easy, so you can pause the video to understand the measurement. So first thing, you fold your fabric into 2. Yes, now if you're cutting it with 3 yards, fold it into 2. If you're cutting it with 4 yards, fold it into 2. All right, when you fold it into 2, watch my calculation. My shoulder is 16, all right, sleeve length 23. When I add both of them together, yes, you add both of them together, it will give you 39. So this folding, when you fold into 2, it's meant to give you 39. The length will give you 60. This is the easiest way to cut this dress without much stress, all right? So having folded into 2, your width should be 39 when folded into 2, and your length should be 60. Okay, now from the unopened side, that is where you start marking the side that is not open. Okay, you know you folded into 2, there is unopened side. You mark your shoulder, which is 16. Okay, that is my shoulder. Then once you mark it, the complete shoulder, the next thing is to divide the shoulder by 2. Get the center of your shoulder. You get the center. All right, now this is the center. You draw a long line, down. This is our center of our shoulder. That means it is 8 but because of this one hand, I marked 7, okay, instead of being 8. Now you place your tape, locate your armhole depth, locate your waistline, your hip line, gown length. Once you have done that, you start for the shaping. At that point, you marked your armhole depth, shape your bust, you mark your bust measurement. All right, at that point you marked your bust length, you mark your bust measurement. Okay, understand what I'm doing? You located where you will mark your waist, your bust and your waist. Now at that bust line, mark your bust measurement, mark your waist, mark your hip. Okay, then that is where you're to sew. You connect. You see that? Good. Now once you connect, that means that is your shaping. You only just sew one side. All right, and that is the side that had the Batwing BUBU. Okay, so the distance from your shoulder, the beginning of the fabric, to where you mark your bust is 12. Okay, now the next thing is from the side of the unopened side, that is the shoulder you divided by 2, you mark your neck width. I went for 3.5. all right, now when you measure it, you see that the depth is not okay. I want my depth to be 4.5. So I'll mark that point, use a French curve and connect it. You see what I'm doing? That way the dress will not be choking on the neck. Remember, this fabric, for you to sew it, you need a stretchy fabric. Okay, now this is it. All right, now having it this way, you can slant your shoulder. This slanting I'm doing right now is by choice. If you want to, if you don't want to, leave it. What of the sewing? Use a um bias to finish the neck. You can equally use facing to finish the neck. All right, then you shape it by the side and your dress is ready. If you're going for 10 pencil, you make it pencil. That is all. Like, it is very easy to make. Now with 2.5 yards, this dress is ready. And remember, it's a stretchy fabric. With stretchy fabric, you can even go for 2 yards depending on the length of the fabric. You know, some fabric are by 90, so depending on the length of the fabric. So with 2 yards you can make this, 2.5 yards you can make this. This is where you sew and your dress is ready. Here you use facing for it or bias, you know, to finish it up. Then you just join the shoulder. That is all. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Sewing videos, sewing of this dress, I'll be live when sewing it. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe so you'll be notified when I go live. Okay, remain blessed.